We're excited to guide you through the installation of your Light Traveler's front bumper. Let's get started. These are all the parts that will come in your front bumper kit. Step 1. Remove the 4 bolts securing the existing impact bar of your Sprinter van. Once removed, replace it with the provided impact bar from your Light Traveler's kit. Step 2. Locate the 2 sensors closest to the vehicle's plate. Here's how you'll remove them. Place one hand inside the bumper, reaching for the sensor. Use 2 fingers, as demonstrated in our video, to push the sensor out. Then, with your other hand, press the sensor inward to release it. Step 3. Use a step drill bit to create holes in the OEM bumper, allowing you to take the sensors outside the bumper. Step 4. Carefully remove the sensors from their cables. Connect the extension cables to extend the sensor wires. Step 5. Lay the front bumper flat on the floor. Attach the skid plate using the 4 nuts and bolts provided in the kit. Ensure they are securely fastened. Step 6. Connect the sensors to the extension cables and place them in the sensor holders on the front bumper. Step 7. Position the front bumper in place and remove the existing bolts at the front. Now use the bolts provided in the kit to attach the bumper into the factory holes. Don't tighten the bolts just yet. Step 8. Attach the skid plate into the existing holes of the chassis. Use the provided bolt and nut. You may need both hands, with one twisting the bolt and the other using a wrench to hold the nut in place. Secure tightly.
Step 9. Now is the time to tighten up the 2 bolts that hold the top of the bumper and place the off-road lights into the brackets on the bumper and secure them tightly.
You've successfully installed your Light Traveler's front bumper. Enjoy your new and enhanced vehicle. Thanks for choosing Light Travelers.